In continuation of our lesson, we're going to respond to past question on technical drawing, paper 3. That is practical drawing. The whole of the practical drawing is 100 marks. And there are two main questions that once a student is able to do justice to those two questions, he will earn 70 marks. One of them is question 4, that is building drawing. A student is required to respond to either question 4, building drawing, or question 5, mechanical drawing. Each of them is 70 marks. But right now, we are going to discuss question 4. And the question says, Figure 2 shows a sketch plan of a bungalow. Study the sketch plan with the given specifications and answer the questions that follow. And looking at this sketch plan, the span of the plan is 12,400 by 12,025, all in millimeters. And we are required to draw this plan using a scale of 1:100. By waec standard, it is usually 1:100. So we'll draw the floor plan, the front elevation, and the sectional view on plane YY. The specifications are given. Here we have the foundation, the floor, the walls, the lintel, doors, windows, beams, roof, and the lobby. They all have their specifications. Here we had drawn the plan, that is the floor plan. And on the floor plan, going from the sketch plan, we have the lobby. On the floor plan, this is the lobby drawn here. This is the lobby. And around the lobby, we also have a WC. This is that WC. This is the window to the WC. There are two columns in front of the lobby. There is a column here, and there is another column here. The column is drawn here, another column is drawn in this place. Okay, from the lobby, we'll go to the living room. This is the living room on sketch plan, but this is the drawing of the living room. The living room has an entrance door which is big in size. The specification of that entrance door is 2,100 by 1,800 by 38. So on the floor, it is expected that we will have this 1,800 as the horizontal dimension, and that is what we have. That is from this point to this point. That is 1,800 from this point to this point. And this is also included to this. This is included to this because this is the dimension of the frame of that door. It is included to give us this. And we'll have the widest window, which is WW, to give us 1200 by 1200 with a frame of 38, and that is what we have here. It means that we have this 1200 horizontally. We also have the smallest door, that is D1 here. The D1 by horizontal dimension is 750. If you check this D, this and this, their heights are all 2100 each. It means they have the same height, but horizontally they have different dimension. So this is the living room. We have a bedroom here. The bedroom has a door here, and this door is D from the sketch plan. This door is D from the sketch plan, and we'll still go to the specification to pick our dimension. For the horizontal dimension of the door, we have 900 by 38. That is, this is the dimension of that door horizontally, while this is the thickness of the frame. This one is the height of the door. So this is that door. This same door has the same dimension with this. That is D1. This has the same dimension with this one. This window is also the small window, 600 by 600 by 38. So we'll have this window to be 600 horizontally. We also have along this side, we have the passage. There's a passage leading to this room, and this WC is connected to this room. So we have this passage. This passage has the dimension of D, that is 900. From here to here, that is 900, including the frame. And this one also is 900, including the frame. That is in addition of the frame. Then this one is 750. So here is D1, D1, D1. While the DD is this, the rest are all this. So for this one, this is 900. We have the dining located here. The dining. Between the dining and the living room is a beam. We used short dashed lines here to represent the beam because it is hidden on the floor plan. This beam is seen at the top. The beam is located between a wall. Is hanging on this wall and this wall. That is the beam. So there is a space. In reality, there is a space between this dining and this living room, while there is a beam on top of this wall. From the dining, there is another door here leading to the kitchen, and there is another door leading to the store. There is another one leading to the porch. Also, we have a beam here. This line is short dash. This is short dash, and this is also short dashes, telling us that there is a beam here, there is a beam here. There is another column here. So on this whole building, there are 3 columns, 1, 2, and 3. and all of them have the same dimensions. So this is the solution to the first part of this drawing, that is floor plan, that is AI. Now for the front elevation, we are going to project lines from this. From here we have a line, we have a line here, we have a line here, this one another line, we have one here, one here, one here, and there will also be a line from this one to this side. So we are going to do the front elevation in our next video. So we'll have three of it. One, the floor plan, the front elevation, then the sectional view of on plane YY. So in our next video, we'll treat that of front elevation. Again, this question is question on paper 3 of 2022 exam on technical drawing. This question alone, if is completed, carries 70 marks. So students are advised to take this question seriously. Thank you.